Hello and welcome. Today I have a very special story for you. Once upon a time, there was a sun and a cave. This cave was underground and it has spent all his life in darkness. One day he heard the sun calling him out. The sun said, "Hey, come out and see light." The cave said, "What is light? I do not know. I have always spent my time in darkness." The sun said, "Come out and see for yourself." The cave came out from under the ground for the first time and he saw light for the first time and he was all excited. He then said to the sun, "Come on now, I will show you darkness." The sun said, "What is darkness? I do not know." The cave said, "Come under the ground with me and I will show you." And they both went under the ground. When they reached, the sun said, "Where is darkness?" And there was light everywhere. I hope this will give you new hope and I will meet you next Sunday. Thank you for watching.